Did you for cook? Your mom?
You know, Susan, when I grew up, father work, my mother work. I never put on the pot before my mother come from work. So I never play ball at evening time. So when me put on the pot, like me, if a flour we I cook, knead up the flour and me put on the flour, put in my yam, put in my dasheen, and put in my flour after boiling and make it go and boil. My father did love beef. He loved beef. My favorite cooking beef was pepper steak with a lot of sweet pepper. Because my dad loved that. I think my dad loved me always deal with it for him. And I want to tell you, me usually like tell my mother, she bend the corner down at the bottom, past where me live, because she come through the shortcut, she work at the hospital. She's a recordist. And when we when she bend the corner, I say the pot up on the fire and run down the ball ground. Because if we got a ball ground game, I now get no game. And I tell Susan, I usually do that. Me and the person where I run that for all of us. My two big brother. My two sisters, my father and my mother. I'm there and my niece when they come. Because them grow there. You know. Indian food. I catch that from my grandmother. My grandmother was a great chef. Great chef, good. I tell her, Mrs. she got good. She never eat with a fork, she never eat with a spoon. Her aunt she used to eat all the time.
You remember her good, Bobby?
Wow. When I remember her good.
Who should it look like, Karen?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Exactly. Her ear touch, see like the time ear touch the ground? Her ear touch around the sun. And me always a platty, wrap around her neck, flat, wrap around her neck, flat, wrap around her neck. Over where Trina live, facing the road, not from the front, from the side, there was an old restaurant bed there and a big Ackee tree. She sit there all the time. And whenever time I come from school, me go around there with her, sit down with her, talk with her, and Grandma, go and go pick up them there and come back. And we go pick up that. The yard of it clean. The yard of it clean, Susan. And when she'll cook, come, pass that. Me little. So when people eat meringue, we eat that from we are baby. My grandmother cooked that from we are baby.
Oh, she cook it?
Yeah. Before it get to the seed, the young one, that's what you cook. The leaf, you cook it like kalaloo.
I read that in a...
The blossom, you rest it on the finished product of the food and make it steam down. So that lady that is great. I think me get my skill from my grandfather.
You must eat them too?
Yeah. Grandfather him usually work anonymous, but him travel. Him help build the Panama Canal. We had a picture, but I think my auntie take with a picture there. Fidel Castro, hug him up, big tall man, hug him up, he got Cuba go work. Man, hug him up, he go in the sugar industry, Cuba go work. In Monimus, the mill went down and them wanted a gear, and the gear will come from England, and it will take like 3 months to come, 12 weeks without traveling by sea to come with the gear. My grandfather said, give me. Grandfather go on the machine and build the gear, temper the gear, solid the gear, put the gear in the machine and run the crap. It was good.
Now we'll just continue to watch Bobby prepare this meal his way, naturally done. No added salt, because there's enough salt in the cod. No black pepper, no garlic, no powder seasoning, all natural ingredients. Done his way. Now let's continue. Yes, sir.
Virgin coconut oil, grace. We are promoting grace. Chopped tomato, green onion.
Add the saltfish to the sauteed vegetables. Add the Ackees to the saltfish and the sauteed vegetables. Let's cover it for a few minutes, like 3 minutes. We don't want to lose the crunch.
Yeah, that's the finishing product right here. Look good to me. Don't know what about you, but so we're gonna stop the cooking process by removing it from the hot burner and put it on the next side. That's it. Yeah, I'm having the finished product right now. As you see, some good old Jamaican sweet potato and some African yam. Yeah, so I just put a few onion strips from the pickle. So we make that pickle by ourselves, you know. Onion, pimento, carrots, pepper. Yeah, you know the thing. Yeah, and add some callaloo. Is it callaloo?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Spinach, collard
Spinach.
greens, and Swiss chard.
So I'm going to show you a finished product of this plate, and then you will know that it was good. Real Jamaican cooking in Canada. Yeah.
Alright, Bobby.
Yeah. This tell it all. I can sure this can tell it all. Fork is clean, the plate is clean. It was perfect. And to tell you, the key about this, we use Grace virgin coconut oil, Jamaican Ackee, and you know I put my garlic, my ground seasoning, which is scallion, onion, you know, some Scotch bonnet pepper. You know, Scotch bonnet pepper only come from Jamaica, the best. Yeah, all of that. It's good, and all those flavors just explored in this Ackee and Saltfish. And you see the African yam and the Jamaican sweet potato. Wow, it was. See you on the next one.
Don't forget to like the video and leave a comment and subscribe to the channel.